Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hey. So it's been like 4 days since I've taken out my knotless braids. So know that this slap cap has been placed on my head for your protection. What a mess. I'm tired of looking like I don't love myself, so it's wash day. Every single product I tried today is going to be new to me. So be sure to stick around to the end if you want to know my thoughts and see this transformation because woo! So for wash day today, I'm going to be using a full Eco Slay lineup, which I just did a haul on their products. So be sure to check that out if you want to see what I've been buying unnecessarily. So first up, I'm going to go in with their cleanser, which is this peppermint schnapps hair wash. And then to deep condition, I'm going to go in with their banana cream deep conditioner. This banana cream deep conditioner can also be used as a leave-in. So once I rinse it out, I'll probably leave some of it in. That way I can use it as a good base of moisture underneath of the styler. And lastly, as my styler, I'm going to be using the orange marmalade, flaxseed, and aloe curl definer, which is a gel styler. And I haven't figured out what style I want to do just yet. So it'll either be a wash and go or a braid out. Y'all know I keep it simple. And because my hair is so trifling dry, I'm actually going to pre-poo it. And to pre-poo, I'm going to be using some of Sheree Del Sol's sorcery. Make sure you check out her videos so you can learn how to make it. I ain't got time, so she sent it to me. So I'm going to pre-poo with all of this Ayurvedic goodness, and then I'll come back once it's time to cleanse.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
I need you all to bombard Sheree's comments and tell her to start selling this pre-poo. Thank you so much. We'll now return to your regularly scheduled programming. Okay, so I'm back from rinsing my pre-poo, and now I'm going to go in with the Eco Slay Peppermint Schnapps hair wash. You all know from my previous video that I did pick this up during Juneteenth. This is 8 fluid ounces and it is 100% natural. This says to shake well, apply sparingly directly to scalp, work into a lather, detangling hair, and enjoying the warm peppermint aroma. Rinse thoroughly. This says for best results to use hot sauce, which is their pre-poo hot oil type of treatment prior to this, but that wasn't included in the wash day bundle. So I'm going to shake this up a bit. I have been storing this in the refrigerator as they instruct, and it does separate a little bit. I'm just going to apply it directly to my scalp. It's very runny. And it's lathering right up as soon as it touches my hair. Because it's so cold, it feels really good on my scalp. So marshmallow root infused water is the very first ingredient in this hair wash. And in case you didn't know, marshmallow root is a great ingredient for slip. And they infuse it into some water. So like look at the, we love to see it. So regarding the mint, it's a lot, but it feels really good on my scalp. I'm just still shocked and appalled that I'm able to finger detangle with this. So I'm going to keep working this in, rinse it out, do a second cleanse, and then come back and apply the deep conditioner. Okay, so back from shampooing my hair. So this is what my hair is looking like after 2 cleanses with the hair wash. Nice and clean. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with the banana cream deep conditioner, and this deep conditioner says after shampooing, apply a liberal amount of banana cream to soaking wet hair, evenly distribute and leave on for 30 minutes using a heat cap for full penetration rinse. And it says for extra thirsty locks, apply a bit of banana cream as a leave-in treat. So oh, this is very thick. At first glance, this looks very, very rich and thick and creamy. So I can see why they say to apply it to soaking wet hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and section my hair. My hair is still pretty wet, but it's not soaking wet. So I do have my spray bottle on hand if I need it. All right. Ooh. So this is what the deep conditioner looks like. It's pretty thick, and I'm not sure if it's picking up on camera, but it has little white bits in it, but hopefully that doesn't leave any residue in my hair because ain't nobody got time for that. It definitely smells like banana candy. And just to appease the people that say I should add more water to my hair when I apply things, I'm going to do that. I don't necessarily use deep conditioners for slip, FYI. The water definitely helped the distribution, but this product is just thick. Like it's thick. That's just what it is. I'm not feeling those little bits anymore that I was feeling. Hopefully, like I said, I don't have little white balls or flakes or whatever in my hair. So I'm going to twist this section up and finish applying the deep conditioner on the rest of my hair. Okay, so I'm all done applying the deep conditioner. You all know that I like to apply my deep conditioners to damp towel dried hair. So I was extremely leery spraying my hair with water with this deep conditioner, but it definitely did help to improve the application of it. Now how it's going to feel once I rinse it, I don't know yet. So I'm going to do exactly what the instructions say and apply heat for 30 minutes, rinse it out, and then I'll come back and apply the styler.
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
I know that I said that I was going to rinse that deep conditioner out in 30 minutes. That did not happen. I actually slept in the deep conditioner overnight and I rinsed it with lukewarm water. I didn't rinse it out completely because, like I said, this can be used as a leave-in conditioner, and I wanted to make sure I had a nice base of moisture underneath of the styler. So next I'm going to go in with the Orange Marmalade Flaxseed and Aloe Curl Definer. Can we just hit Eco Slay one time with the one time for this full-size product? Yes. The directions for this says, for frizz-free shiny curls that hold for days, apply liberally to soaking wet hair and air dry or diffuse. So I just opened the pump and the directions are definitely giving me wash and go, but I just don't feel that in my spirit. One, I need a trim. Two, I don't feel like it. So I'm going to do exactly a braid out. I was actually listening to music when I took my towel off, but I'll make sure I insert a clip of exactly what my hair looked like after I rinsed the deep conditioner. So I'm going to go in on this first section and just get all of the shed hair. The shed hair has just been, you know, in abundance because I haven't combed my hair in over a month. So that's to be expected. I'm not going bald, which is always a good thing. So of course you all know I like to style my hair damp, but this does recommend to use it on soaking wet hair. Ooh. Okay, so I wet that down with some water and detangled the section, and now I'm going to go in with the gel. I'm going to play it safe and just do one pump whenever it decides it wants to actually come out. This is not at all what I was expecting. I was not at all expecting this to be like a cream gel. That's essentially what it's giving. Okay. Oh. Oh, it smells so good. It's nice and light and fresh type of orange. I'm a fan of it. It feels really light. So I feel like in order for me to do a wash and go with this, I would have to slather it on. And because there's xanthan gum in here, I am definitely afraid of adding any more. So I'm going to just go ahead and braid this section up. I know this is going to take forever to dry just because it's braided and my hair is sopping wet. So that's annoying, but I'm not totally mad at it because it feels really good going on. Y'all know I can't see. So tell me how that looks. Does it look all right? We're gonna hope for the best. So I'm going to continue these steps all over my head doing medium-sized braids, and then I'll come back for the takedown in 4 or 5 days when this is actually dry. Also want to add that while I'm applying this Orange Marmalade Curl Definer, that I'm not feeling any congealing, clumping, or conflict with the banana cream that's underneath of it. We love when products from the same line work together. Okay, so I'm all done applying the orange marmalade curl definer, and first impressions, it seems like it's really lightweight, but with me seeing the cast Linda and Ashley got using this, I made sure I went in pretty light-handedly, and I only used about a pump, maybe a pump and a half per section. I can say the slip on this is phenomenal. So good. It felt really soft and moisturizing as it went on, and I didn't feel any residue with the leave-in that was underneath of it. It also looked super shiny as I was applying it. I did do 5 braids each side. This side is starting to dry up, and I do feel that there's a little bit of tackiness, but also an oiliness that kind of comes using this, but I don't mind it. It's not obnoxious, and I don't feel like it's going to leave a greasy or flaky residue on my hair. I did make sure that I squeezed the excess product out of my hair. Of course, with me applying it on wet hair, I did get a lot of residue as I was braiding my hair, but I did squeeze that excess product out. So fingers crossed, when this dries, I won't have any flaking, because as I mentioned, this product does have xanthan gum in it, but so far so good. My braids look and feel really juicy, so I have high hopes. Of course, once this is all finally dry in a few years or so, I'll come back in style and give you all my final thoughts on all the products. Okay, so these are my final results after using EcoSlay all day. Disclaimer, all of the products are back in the refrigerator, and I'll insert a picture. So first things first, of course, we went in with the peppermint schnapps hair wash. With the hair wash, the first ingredient after the marshmallow root infused water was African black soap. And if you've ever used African black soap or African black soap shampoo in your hair, you know that it can kind of leave a certain feel to your hair after you rinse it. I wouldn't say that that was my experience using this hair wash. My hair felt extremely clean without feeling stripped. You all saw that after I used the hair wash, and I do want to mention that I used the hair wash twice just because I wanted to make sure my hair was nice and clean after a little over a month of sweat and oil and product buildup. I will say that because of how runny the texture of the hair wash is, I did find myself using a lot of product, so I probably went through like a third of the bottle, and also because I went in more than once because I wanted to make sure my hair was nice and clean. My experience with the hair wash was great. My scalp felt nice and clean and tingly and refreshed, and my hair felt clean as well, but it did not feel stripped at all. Of course, after I rinsed the hair wash, I did go in with the banana cream deep conditioner. That banana cream deep conditioner was extremely thick and rich, and it went on my hair like it was extremely thick and rich. So I had a little bit of difficulty with distributing it through damp hair. Once I sprayed my hair down, that definitely helped with the application, and it did improve the slip of the deep conditioner as well. Now, let me make a disclaimer, because often when I have difficulty with product, you all will drop in the comments and tell me, you need to add more water, you need to add more water. I get why you all say that. However, let me just be clear from my experience with using hair products. Water only improves the distribution and it improves the slip for me. It does not improve the performance of a product for me. As you all know, I did sleep with the deep conditioner in overnight. I didn't need to do that, but once I rinsed it out, my hair felt so soft. Again, you all saw how defined my hair was after I rinsed the deep conditioner. Also, I didn't need to use a lot of the product. While I was applying, I did mention to you all that I felt some solidified bits. But while I applied it, added the water, and worked it through my strands, I didn't feel those solidified bits. I also didn't have any issues while I was rinsing the deep conditioner. I didn't feel any residue or anything like that in my hair. What's great about this deep conditioner is not only is it 16 fluid ounces, not only is it super softening, you can also use it as a leave-in conditioner. So I rinsed some of it out and I left some of it in to be the leave-in moisture base underneath of the styler. I loved it. I'll leave it at that. And then of course the style, I went in on soaking wet hair with the orange marmalade curl definer. And just based off of my experience with some of the ingredients in this product, I was extremely scared to go in with more than a pump and a half per section. But listen. So when I first applied it, it went on extremely soft, nice slip, moisturizing, etc. As it started to dry down, I definitely felt that there was a firm cast. But because it's been a couple of days since I styled my hair, and the fact that I didn't use a lot of the styler, my hair is so soft. But I also feel like it has hold. Now, as far as how much hold, I'm not quite sure yet. It doesn't feel crunchy, but it doesn't feel like it's going to be a frizzy hot mess in like a day or two. This feels like this might give me 3 or 4 days. And y'all know I don't like to rebraid. All of that to say that I'll be trying this for a wash and go really, really soon. And I'll be slathering it on like the directions say. The directions did say to put it on generously, and I was scared. I was scared. I just knew that that xanthan gum was going to play me, and I was going to have snow. Let it snow. No, that was not my experience at all. While I have hold, my hair feels so moisturized, and it's so shiny, and it distributed through my hair really well. Like, ego slay. The ingredients are high quality, and the prices are reasonable. You're getting so much product and so much bang for your buck with this. I would highly recommend. I'm thoroughly impressed with every single product that I've tried, and I cannot wait to try that matcha protein shake because I already know that it's going to give me every single thing that I need. This magical black woman is mixing all of this goodness up in her kitchen, and I stand. You all drop down in the comments, let me know your thoughts, and let me know if you have any questions. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Please be safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.